It's the envy of the world. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research has unveiled the largest 3D printer on the planet. The machine has been quietly operational since 2016. But to wrap up Women's Month, the CSIR has held an event to honor women in science and showcase those who have been working with the masterpiece. ENCA reporters Connor Chona filed this report.
This 3D printer has the international scientific community very excited, and it can be found right here in the capital city. The machine's construction began in 2009 and it has been fully functional since 2016. It uses titanium as its material and prints parts of the aerospace industry. So what's the advantage of having such a distinguished piece of machinery in South Africa?
It's an important aspect of, I think, the South African innovation because it showcases what South Africa is capable of in the area of additive manufacturing, where we have built not only the world's largest 3D printer, but also the fastest, with the aim of participating in the global space and also of servicing the aerospace and other industries.
And what does it actually do?
You're taking powder, you are heating it up, and in that process, you are able to mold something out. Worldwide, there's a need for fast production of stuff in terms of the aerospace industry, automotive industry, and very many others. And I'm specifically speaking of those two because there you have a challenge of you need to build big components, but you need to then slice them up or cut them up in order to be able to form this one big thing. And this large bed offers us that advantage of being able to print such big sizes, 2 meters wide. That's what we are talking about.
The CSIR says the innovation has sparked huge interest abroad and there are prospects to use the printer commercially in future. This, the council believes, will help boost the economy. Zikona Chona in Pretoria.